Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. Just a quick little video for you today. If you are a power GoPro user, if you use your GoPros quite a bit, this is definitely a product you might want to check out. Basically, this is a power bank and GoPro charger all built into one. I featured a similar product a couple months ago for the Rode Wireless Go system. It was a power bank charger that you could just store your Rode Wireless Go setup inside and it would keep it charged when in storage. And the same company has released one for GoPro batteries. And what's really interesting is that this is compatible with almost every GoPro, right from the Hero 5 all the way up to the Hero 10. So to start off, this is a 10,400 milliamp hour power bank. And as a content creator, it's always good to have a power bank in your camera bag. And you can use this as a traditional power bank. You don't have to use it just for charging up GoPro batteries. On the back here we have a USB-C power delivery port, and that's both input and output. That's how you recharge the power bank inside, but you can also charge devices from that USB-C port. Beside that we have a traditional USB-A port. Again, you can charge any device from that USB-A port. On the front here we have a button. A quick press will show us how much power is inside. It goes up in 25% increments, 25, 50, 75, and 100. Right above those LEDs, we have another set of LEDs to show us when we're charging a battery. The overall size of it isn't too big if you can compare it to the size of my hand. It's not very heavy as well, so it's not going to add too much bulk to your setup. But the nice thing about a setup like this is if you are a power user, as mentioned, you don't have to worry about constantly bringing a charger with you and a power bank or multiple batteries. When you're done with a battery, you just stick it in the charger. And while you're filming, it's going to top up all your other ones. At the top here in the lid, you can see we have a spot to store some memory cards. 4 memory cards total. And down here, you can see we have our charging bays. When you purchase it, you're going to see they have these brackets installed. Now, if you're just charging Hero 9 Black and Hero 10 Black batteries, you don't need to use these at all. The batteries just plug directly in. As you can see, we'll just plug them in one at a time. If we take a look at the front here, now you can see that we're charging all 3 batteries. The lid is held closed magnetically, so you can now put this in your bag and charge on the go. They're held in there securely, so you don't have to worry about them rattling loose. Now I really like this setup because in the past I've always used GoPro chargers and I could charge on the go with a power bank. The style of charger they used, the battery was held in there securely and there was no issue. But then for the Hero 9 and 10 Black, GoPro redesigned the GoPro charger. And now they just sit in there and they're kind of loose and there's no way you can throw this in a bag plugged into a power bank without them falling out. So a device like this is definitely a welcome addition to my kit. Now, as mentioned, if you're a person who uses multiple GoPros, maybe you have a mixture of a Hero 8, Hero 9, Hero 10, maybe perhaps a Hero 7 or older, you can take those batteries from older GoPros, place them inside the adapter. Just make sure you have that pull tab at the top there coming out. Once installed in the adapter bracket, you can see they just plug right inside. And of course it's now charging. And you can charge a mixture of batteries. It doesn't have to be just either Hero 8 batteries or Hero 9 batteries. You can see there we have a Hero 8 battery. You could then plug in a Hero 6 battery or Hero 5 battery, Hero 9 battery, or Hero 10 batteries. And as you can see, they'll all charge at the same time. So definitely a handy device if you use your GoPros quite a bit. As mentioned, when you've depleted a battery, just plug it into the box here, continue filming. When you get home from a shoot, just plug this whole box in to recharge it, and you're ready for your next adventure. Well folks, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out the Aircrew members area that was recently launched. We'll be featuring behind the scenes footage, other special videos, and of course some other perks. It's a great way to support my channel if you enjoy this style of content. I want to thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.